Hi, 8th graders. This is part 3 of Quiz 3 review. I'm going to go over two problems from Determine Reflections. It says, draw the line of reflection that reflects quadrilateral A, B, C, D onto quadrilateral A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. Okay, so I have two shapes here. So where do I need to put this line to show the reflection? Well, I'm going to put it right in the center. Okay, so there's an even distance from this shape to this line and this line to this shape. Okay, so if this was a paper and if I were to fold it in half and then look at it through with like light shining through, I would see just one shape. Okay, so let's move on to the second problem here. Okay, so same sort of thing. Draw the line of reflection that reflects triangle ABC onto triangle A prime, C prime, A prime, B prime, C prime. Okay, so this one, you can see that these two kind of overlap. We're not going to let that bother us. We are just going to look at the rest of this. So if this is confusing to you, don't worry about it. There are other points that we can look at. Okay, so I made this kind of further down, but actually it looks like it goes right about here. So we can see that point A is 2 spaces away from the line of reflection, as well as oh, this was A prime. So A prime is 2 points away, and then A is 2 points away as well. So 2 little boxes on each side. So that is our line of reflection. All right, you got questions? Let me know.